Hey guys, in this video we have Raajan, which many of you will know from previous videos because he passed his driving test with me, and about a month ago we did a lesson in his new car, which was a bit shocking to say the least, okay, with his driving. And today we're going to go on the motorway. So I know it's titled Motorway for the first time, but Raajan has actually done a very short stretch on a motorway in his car on his own. So today Raajan's going to be driving on the motorway with no help from me. We're going to do a bit of a stretch, so there should be a lot of situations: joining on, exiting, overtaking, getting up to 70 miles an hour. So we're going to be doing all of that, and like I said, I'm not going to help Raajan at all because once you pass your driving test, you're allowed to go on the motorway without any help. Right, so are we ready?
Yeah.
And I will be giving you guys some tips with voiceovers about motorways for those of you that do want some information about motorways, just quick useful tips. Right then, Raj, let's get going. Let's join the motorway. Raj, how are you feeling about going on to the motorway?
Good. I think it's just, it'll be a bit different because with this car, the clutch, it feels a lot more sensitive, and I've been driving the other car for like 5 months, so I think just moving off on that, I'm going to be a bit more wary.
Yeah, Raajan was asking about doing this lesson, the motorway lesson, in his car, but to be honest guys, I didn't really fancy taking Raajan on the motorway, no offense here, without these pedals for safety. Even though he's passed his driving test. Okay, time to join the motorway. So we're going to be the motorway that we're going to be joining is the M6 South. We are joining the motorway by using this slip road. Traffic on the motorway has priority. You should use the slip road to build up speed and match the flow of traffic that is on the motorway. A bit of advice on joining on there, So, you're on a slip road. Try and build up to the same speed as the traffic that's on the motorway. Okay. So that if you build up your speed, you know the vehicle's in front. You would have probably got in there in front of the lorry. Okay. You don't want to be approaching too slow. Okay. That's what slip roads are designed for you to build up the speed if the traffic's flowing nicely.
Okay.
We're going to continue following the M6. Okay. On a motorway, you should keep to the left-hand lane. The middle lane and right-hand lanes are for overtaking.
Does your car go up to gear 5 or 6?
It goes up to gear 6. What gear are you in now?
4.
See, that should have been in a while ago. Do you know why it's no good like driving in a lower gear?
You're using more petrol.
That's it. junction numbers, so that number 7, you know what that means?
Junction 7.
That's it. Yeah. So if somebody says to you, oh, we're M6 southbound, junction 7,
Yeah.
that's what it means. Okay, don't slow down too much here. Okay. Build up your speed. Build up your speed.
Or did you want to come in this lane? Or no, it's just...
He's got an issue with somebody. I think it's somebody else next to him.
It felt like he came very close though to our lane.
Remember, we've got no lane signs on this car or anything yet, so no one's gonna treat you like a laner. Be cautious because you're not a laner really, are you? On a motorway, you'll be driving at high speeds, so it's vital to maintain a safe distance from the vehicle in front. You should use the 2-second rule in dry conditions and 4 seconds in wet weather. Do you know what this middle lane is for?
Yeah, you meant to overtake the people in that lane, move back over.
Hold back now, hold back, hold back. What should your following distance be?
2 seconds.
Yeah, that's better, that's it. So you don't want to be one of those middle lane hoggers, yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
Only use this lane if you're going to overtake. After overtaking, what are you going to do?
Move back there.
That's it. Cool. What did we just talk about?
Moving back over.
That's it. Good. What was the reason for you driving in the mid lane? Was it just is it a comfort thing or what?
I usually stay in that, but I usually just go like a bit quicker and like 60. I don't know, I just prefer it.
You just prefer it?
Yeah. Just like, it depends, like here, I feel like...
Slow down, slow down. What's the speed limit now?
50.
That's it.
But it's like, otherwise, feels like I'm going to be going this lane, that lane, back to here, etc. Like, so much.
So this is your lane for normal driving?
Yeah.
Yeah? So the speed limit's 50 now and you're at 50 miles an hour.
Yeah.
So this is absolutely fine. And then that centre lane, what's it for?
Overtaking people in this lane.
That's it. And then what's that third lane for?
Overtaking people in the middle.
That's it. This lane on the left is the hard shoulder, which should only be used when stopping in an emergency. But on some occasions there will be signs informing you that you can use the hard shoulder. This normally happens on smart motorways. It's safe to overtake?
Overtake this truck?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was.
Another thing I'd say that, you know how you were going to change your lanes there, you can see there was a gap after the Range Rover here overtook, yeah? So apply your signal just as he's overtaking, yeah?
Okay.
If you're doing it too early, what could the Range Rover think you're about to slow down a bit now? What's the new speed limit?
50.
No, 40. So you know if someone's about to overtake you, you signal right, what could they think you're about to do?
Pull out in front.
Yeah. Don't get too close to the lorry. Okay, let's hold back a bit more. So you saw that van driver quite close behind you, and you wanted to get out of his way, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Which is not a bad thing, but again, don't rush these decisions. Yeah. While you were doing so, you were going to get very close to, the lorry.
Yeah, the one in front.
Yeah. Do you remember that falling distance is key, especially on motorways? What's the speed limit now?
It's got to turn to 70.
That's it.
Smart motorways are motorways where the speed limit can be changed according to the conditions. These changes will be displayed on overhead signs. On a smart motorway, the hard shoulder may be open to traffic at certain times. This will also be displayed on overhead signs.
One of the most important things, when you're on a motorway, checking those mirrors frequently, and knowing if someone's overtaking you and how fast they're approaching. When you know stuff like that already, it makes it so much easier to change lanes. Following distance, hold back. Okay. So how do you think your driving's been on? Obviously this isn't a lesson, this is just a drive video on the motorway. How do you think your driving's been? Decent?
Yeah, it's been alright.
What do you think I think of your driving so far?
Not good.
So from a safety point of view, okay. What do you think you could do better? Like this, notice what?
Following distance, speed, check my signs and that.
What's the speed limit here now? 40. So let's slow down. That's it. Now when you're gonna come back to the left lane, okay, keep going. Don't do too early, Do your mirrors and signal. Don't steer straight away. And now mirrors again, and now move over. So give the other vehicles, time to notice your signal and be aware of what you're doing. What you're doing is like, are you feeling the pressure of the cars behind you? Sometimes you're just like moving back to the left really quick, You're cutting across like the vehicles without giving them too much warning. It should never be signal and change lane, Mirror, signal, mirror again and then maneuver, okay? Have the extra mirror check cars at high speeds. What's the speed limit now?
70.
Be extra cautious when moving into the middle lane. Vehicles from the third lane could also be moving into that lane. And if you're moving from the third lane into the middle lane, then look out for vehicles that are moving from the first lane.
So now, let's do some lane changing, a lot better this time though. So you know how you change it to the middle lane there, that car was in the third lane, What could that car do as you're changing lanes as well?
Moved as well.
Okay, so be extra careful of that. That was much better. Everyone had a lot more warning there.
When leaving the motorway, look out for signs that make you aware that you're approaching your exit, and adjust your speed accordingly once on the slip road.
Good. And the following distance is much better as well. What's that van doing? So what are you going to do?
Brake.
That's it. Good. Just doing these little things gives you those extra few seconds as well, to react just in case something does happen ahead. Okay, so this roundabout we're turning right and joining the motorway again, So let's see after those few tips, let's see if you can improve the driving a bit, even though you think it's a bit decent, I want to be able to say it's decent too.
There's two lit noise, one lane.
This one. Same speed. Obviously I'm not saying just join on no matter what, okay? You still have like you observed that lorry, you did ease off the gas and slow down a little bit because that lorry was there, which is good, but initially you built up your speed.
The truck's moved over as well.
Say it again. driving.
Yeah, but it weren't that bad. It wasn't like
It's the
that.
same thing. Remember guys, the key thing, yeah, like I told Raajan, is just your awareness, know what's happening, like anticipating like what that van could do now. But when you're checking your mirrors, know what's happening in the lanes around you, especially the overtaking lane, is how fast someone's approaching. Before you change lanes, make sure you've assessed that well, yeah. Okay, take your time to assess that. Don't rush.
Each time I turn to right, for people who keep thinking like, why does he keep checking his right blind spot, is because when I was still learning, like near to my test, there's a car on my right and I had no clue it was there.
It's fine to check it as long as you don't lose control. Yeah, having a quick look over your blind spot is fine.
Yeah.
It's when you start steering, yeah, and losing control. So one thing I know, you know when the van overtook you, yeah, you came into this lane, yeah, what was the reason for that?
Because I thought that blue car wasn't going to thingy. I thought it was going to go very slow because everyone else.
Yeah, but there's quite a bit of distance from that. Have we still overtaken it? No, we're kind of doing the same speed, yeah. So as soon as you realise that, what should you have done?
Me back over.
Yeah. But like moving to the right is good. Yeah, you're assessing that well. But moving to the left, I think you're still a bit casual on that. Yeah. So make sure you focus on that. Okay. But yeah, other than that, good. Sort that out, and it is pretty decent. Yeah. You don't see like some people seem really nervous when they get on motorways and that. Yeah. Just try and keep both hands on the steering as well. Any questions?
No.
Right, so yeah guys, let us know what you thought about Raajan's motorway driving and how your first experience on the motorway was. Yeah, do let us know in the comments and I'll reply to as many as I can, yeah. And like always, thanks a lot for watching, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video, and hopefully by that time we'll be in the left-hand lane.
Hooray! So this course really filled my knowledge gaps and I became more confident.
After watching some of the videos on the course, I felt really comfortable with the extra knowledge.
Before I passed my driving test, I was really nervous. It really helped me have more confidence, and I would take what I learned during the course into my lessons and really aid that.
The videos obviously help you because you're going into that lesson knowing exactly what you're going to do, and just having that knowledge just makes that lesson faster and you feel a lot better.
38 easy to understand, precise videos covering every single topic required to pass the driving test. These are not just theory based, they are practical videos demonstrating everything from moving off and stopping a vehicle to all of the maneuvers and every other module required. So if you're lacking knowledge, or maybe your instructor has forgotten to cover something, or you're just not grasping a certain topic, then this course has it covered. You can watch the videos before your driving lessons, which means you'll get into the car knowing exactly what to do. This will definitely save you time on your lessons.